of needles. Believe it or not, this phobia is just as common as a fear of flying. I believe it. And it causes panic and anxiety attacks.
That's why a lot of people dread going to doctors or even dentists. But as Fox 16's Chisa Parham explains, you don't have to avoid making that appointment anymore.
People usually have mixed emotions about getting shots.
I've had so many that I'm used to them now.
I honestly get nauseated whenever a doctor comes near me with a shot. In fact, I always warn them that I'm going to scream like a little baby.
Yes, shots can hurt. In 2006, Arkansas dentist Michael Zweifler developed the OccuPal, a device used to make oral injections painless.
I thought there's got to be a better way because I'm tired of apologizing and seeing the patient's face just scrunch up.
Riding the wave of success, Dr. Zweifler developed the Numblebee, a similar device used by pediatricians and other doctors. The Numblebee works by taking advantage of the gate control method of manipulating the nervous system. Sounds wordy, so let me break it down for you. First, the doctor finds the injection area, then the vibrations from the Numblebee stops the nerve endings from telling the brain, hey, this hurts. When the needle is removed, you just feel the tingling from the vibration.
So basically, if you're going to get stung by a bee, we're scratching, rubbing the skin before, during, and after the bee sting. So it makes the shot process so much more comfortable.
Little Rock cosmetic surgeon Michael Devlin uses Numblebee on his patients and his own children for their flu shots.
I was expecting a huge stick, and I didn't feel it at all.
Numblebee, taking away those childhood fears of those big scary needles. In Little Rock, Chisa Parham, Fox 16 News.
I bet you the little ones are going to love that. Dr. Devlin is one of the first Arkansas doctors to try Numblebee. Now it's available to all doctors.